guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. With a special guest, Kay Denise. Hi. Hey guys. So we are here in the house. I'm going to just move the camera when she gets ready to speak. Miss Kay Denise is our special guest. Hey, but today I want to talk a little bit about witnesses, why they're needed. You should talk a little bit about witnesses. Welcome to those who will join us later on the podcast, those who will watch the replay. And just in case you don't know, I am Kimmi, your #1 notary educator. I bleed all things notary. I speak all things notary. And I am here again with our resident notary in training, Kay Denise. So anyway, we're going to talk a little bit about witnesses, y'all. So I don't have a better way for us to do this. So y'all just got to bear with us. So yeah, anyway, what is a witness? Let's talk about it. I don't think I told you who I was. I teach notaries nationwide how to have a profitable business, how to know their notarial duties, because if you don't know all that, you ain't got no business doing business, okay? So that's what I do. I focus on the newbies and those who have their commissions and ready to turn it into cash. How about that? Keeping it simple. That's what we do. So anyway, what is a witness? I'll let Kay Denise explain a little bit, because you should know what that is by now, right?
I do.
Okay, Kay Denise is going to tell you what a witness is, and then I'll get the phone back.
When you have
hold on. Let me put it on here for you.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm going to put on a selfie stick for her. Hold on. And speak up a little bit. Don't be scared. Okay. Don't be scared. Hold on, y'all. Kay Denise is going to talk to y'all a little bit. I got to put it on a selfie stick. Okay. That'll make it easier. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Wait a minute. How y'all Friday going out there? Oh, my word. Hold on. I'm trying to put on a selfie stick. There we go. That'll make it easier. Okay. Kay Denise is going to tell y'all what a witness is and what happened to us today.
Wow, guys. So let me tell you, I'm new. I'm in training. I'm excited. A witness is a person that is needed in certain documents to actually they add validity to the document. They watch the signer attesting that everything is accurate and true according to their knowledge. So they may need a witness for I don't know, the wills. Yeah, I needed a witness and people I knew. I got a couple of people that had nothing to do with the transaction, but can say, hey, yes, I was present. This is true. This happened. This is that person. It's an honest transaction. So witnesses are paid people. You can be paid to be a witness. There's nothing wrong with that. To validate. Is that the right word?
Validate.
Validate, my bad. To validate the document. And that is so important. So witnesses are very much needed. You can actually, like Lisa, hey girl, I want to get with a couple of you all when I'm ready and exchange information so we can be witnesses for each other. Mm-hmm. Because that's a great thing. Add each other to our witness list, because we got 2 jobs, no lie, sitting in Culver's for witnesses.
You mean I know what Culver's is?
Or sitting in a restaurant here.
No, tell them what it is.
Culver's, the fast food joint there where you get burgers and fish sandwiches. Really good. Okay, shout out to them. But anyhow, we were just sitting there, and Kimmi got like 2 calls just for witnesses. You know, and negotiated the price. You know, you can. I mean, you want to make it reasonable, but I mean, it's like, and how long does it take to be a witness? 30 minutes or less. That's and you making top dollar to be a witness. Hey, I just need somebody to be present. I have these documents, this loan sign. I just need a witness. I just need somebody, hey, that's gonna give me their driver's license, attest to the fact that this is a valid transaction, and and I pay them and they'll be on their way. I mean, you can't beat that. That's another documents equal dollars, and that.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying, y'all. I love that. Documents equal dollars. Y'all not talking about questions equal money. Katie says documents equal dollars. Listen up.
I'm coming at y'all. I want to join the family. But right now, to be completely honest, I have to pay my bills. So I need a regular job and I have to transition to being an entrepreneur. But I am doing the work, the ground up. Just because it's my sister, she's not throwing me any kind of.
You know what? Log on your phone and I can add you to the conversation. Hold on. I think I can add her. Hey, Lisa. I'm trying to add her to the conversation. Let me see. Hold on. Hey, everybody. I really want us on the same stage. Let me see. Can we do that? So go to YouTube. But if you're not a witness, guys, you should be adding that to your resume. You could add that your resume to your list of services that you can be a witness. So actually, Lisa gonna get that job. Shout out to Lisa. Lisa,
what do you want me?
Go to YouTube and see. I'm gonna see. Can I add you to the platform?
Go to
think Kimmi. It said. Just go to my word. Yeah. Let's see. Kimmi. I'm trying to add her to the stage. Hold on. I think it'll make for a better conversation if we can. Hold on.
Sometimes it usually pop up that you're live.
Of course it won't, because we're actually live.
Is that the right page?
But you know what? Hold on. I'm gonna see. Can we add her to our live subscriptions? Just because we want it here.
Usually it will pop up in my feed.
Okay, hold on, y'all. And yeah, why doesn't it tell you I'm live? Oh yeah, there it says live. There you go. And yeah, why doesn't it tell you I'm live? So you're there. And then can I add you to the stage? Okay, so you're there. And then can I add you to the stage? Wait, I was trying to add her to the stage.
And why do you keep doing that?
Oh, hold on, plus. Oh, maybe I can't. Oh, sorry. Okay, wait, we're gonna cut this off.
You gonna just turn it off?
Is your face on
there? No, that's just yours.
Oh, sorry, y'all. Hold on, we trying something. All right, I'll just give the mic back to K Denise. Hold on.
Yeah, so to be completely transparent, I got my notary commission. I'm getting my supplies, my bags, but I'm watching the videos because I want repeated work.
Do you mind standing outside?
I don't care.
Okay, we'll stand outside, yeah, so I can put the selfie stick. Hold on. And that way y'all can see both of us. It'll make for a better experience. Hold on. Hold on, people. Ooh, my shirt. Hold on. We'll stand out here for a minute. Hold on. What questions do y'all have for her too while she's here? Because my journey, everybody's journey is different. And I can respect the fact that, here, I'll put it right here in the car. Like she's saying, her experience is different. Kay Denise's experience is quite a bit like a lot of you. There we go. She's still working. Okay. I'll do like that. All right, y'all. Here we go. Yeah. So you can finish telling them about the witness thing.
Oh, the witness? Oh, yeah. You want to network with other notaries and be a part of their list of witnesses, because that witness money is quick money. Okay? When I say quick money, if it's within 20 minutes of you, and all they need is you to, you sign, you give your information, and you just saying, yeah, you're attesting to the fact that all of this is valid and true, you on your way. You on your way. That's some quick, easy money. I mean, and a lot of you all need witnesses. And a lot of documents need witnesses. You know, the next to the notary, the witness is the next important thing, because you can't do the transaction without a valid witness.
And what happened that day we went with Shanika to be her witness? The person didn't show up.
Oh, and guys, when you're getting that witness money, don't be late.